Oh shit. Guess I should introduce myself. I'm grain fed. This is loose Stihl. She is a mean vampire saw. Who are you?
Grain fed.
Who are you?
I'm grain fed.
Who are you? Look at you. You don't scare easy. Taking it like a badass. Morning, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Grain Fed. This morning I want to talk about my saw a little bit. This little MS 170 here. They're pretty good little saws for carving anyways. I would say they're good for even home use. If this saw lasts me 2 to 4 months depending, it'll last any homeowner a couple of years for the price, 180 bucks or so. But I run these hard and I don't work on them or do anything. As you can tell, this is dirty. Then we'll move on to what I put on it for carving, because I take all that stuff off, the bar and the chain that comes on it and the sprocket, and you just undo these bolts and pull this bar off. You've probably seen that in another video, me swapping the bar out. And you put that dime tip on there, a 1/4 pitch chain. This is a 50 gauge chain. I like that better than the 43 gauge chain. And you'll have a good little carving saw. I like it. And I carve for a retailer over on the coast on 101, South Eureka, Legend of Bigfoot. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to especially thank those subscribers out there. And do a little bit of that for me. We're going to be sawing up this big walnut log pretty soon. It's looking pretty old. It's been on the ground about 5 years. And well, it's been dead about 5 years. It's been on the ground for 2. Pretty checked up, but there should be some good figure in here, some nice tight rings and stuff in there. We'll see what we get, because I'm going to be doing some epoxy stuff soon, especially like I told you with that octopus. But like I said, I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.